vana, 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 vane, vane, hue. The 10th of the 3rd month of 1437, 9th and 10th hour of the night, dream of the first night of Yule. You know, dividing the night equally from sunset to sunrise. To arrive at 12 hours. So that's what I mean by there. I was swept away with the wind. I was taken to a yellow golden octagonal isosceles regular pyramid that was surrounded by a deep blackness that could be felt. I continued to chant Vana like Vane as I piled 8 spheres that bore the sigilia of the Goetia, numbers 47 to 54, into a tin sled that resembled the sigillum of Orobas. In order, the bouncy balls were pink flecked with green to exercise the like of Vaval, orange and purple spotted to banish Haagente and his legions, forest green in opposition to Prokel, black to renounce Furcas, gold in the renunciation of Bala vine green for the exorcism of Adokes, purple flecked with orange against Kaim, and red lined with green repelling Murmur and his legions. Across the floor of this giant room was a blue star with 32 rays. It was a full-colored, 6-pointed star. When I had finished my task, I knew it was time to say, He Bhagavan Hu Ek Hai Eka, glorious personality of God, invoking one, hello unity. I fell through the floor into a cave. It was smooth and bumpy, like a lava flow. It was gray, and I saw by my own internal light. There was a smaller part of the cave. I carefully moved a boulder away from the path, and I was hit with an electric storm of a variety of the 13 colors and 13 sounds in a symphony. I relaxed, being open to it. I woke calm, energized, and very content. Green, pink, orange, blue, purple, dark yellow, lighter yellow, even lighter yellow, even lighter yellow, even lighter yellow, even lighter yellow, white, black, black, clear, as Akshar, Ek, Vane, Hugh, Hook, Aluk, Shanti, Sugmad, Baju, Aum, Mana, Kala, Alaya,